Hi, and welcome to MiRealSource's new series, Quick Tips. I'm Debbie Fajardo, Director of Education for MiRealSource, and we're dedicated to bringing you great content to help you navigate Paragon and all the resources we have. I hope you'll enjoy today's Quick Tip. Welcome to Quick Tip number 20, Call Capture. Just to let you know, number 20 is the end of our first season, so stay tuned for more information on season number 2. So quick tip number 20, call capture. What is call capture? It's when the listing agent captures the information of the person inquiring about information on your listing. Let's take a look at how we can add this to our new listing flyers, and in many other places you might market your new listing. So let's go through the steps on how to add call capture to your Cloud CMA flyer. We'll first want to go to our resources icon and select List Track. From List Track, you'll want to select My Listings. And here's the most important part right on the right-hand side. There is the information you will need to write down to add to your flyers. That's texting. This is the MLS number to this particular number. So now let's go to Cloud CMA and add that to our flyer. I find the easy way to select my listings is right from the My Info in the Market Monitor. And actually, you might not notice this is not my account, but I am working on behalf of Chris Van Bell. So I simply select my listing. And here are my 2 Cloud CMA quick action links. The first one is to create a flyer. So I'm going to select that one. And of course, I'll need to name this report. Remember, your private notes are only for you, which Chris will see this. And fetch my listing. Nothing to organize. Select Customize Flyer. So when I customize my flyer, I'll need to select my theme. Remember, you'll want to select something that the description does show. Layout, Chris already has his selection. Font. Title, I can change this to whatever title I want, but the last one selected was just listed, and that works perfectly for us today. And then click into the description to update this. And select to update description. As I scroll down, you'll see that it has been updated. And then publish a report. And now when you view your PDF, it has some good basic information here. But if they wanted even more information, they'll want to text this number to this number. And now that I've got you excited about this, let me show you how it looks for the consumer. Okay, for the consumer, they'll want to select their messages and create a new message. Text the number 248-558-2123. The text message is simply going to include the MLS number. And send. And now I will tap to preview. And let's select this listing here. Look at that, there's that same listing. So as I click into it, and there you have it. Scroll down, I can see everything that was there that we saw on the single property website. And now Chris, the listing agent, has also been notified that someone has clicked into his listing and viewing it, and he will receive my cell phone number. Alrighty, I hope you liked today's quick tip, and most importantly, I hope you can use this. Thanks and have a great day. Don't forget, if you like our MiRealSource videos, select the like and don't forget to subscribe.